welcome back to another Sugarland update. This is Will Turner, and I'm walking out of our future paint area. We have paint booth 3 and paint booth 2. Construction is underway with paint booth 1 to follow. We have all of the equipment coming in for our paint automation that's going to go into paint booths 2 and 3. So that's coming in, and they're going to start to install that here shortly. So we are definitely making some progress on the paint booths. They're running ahead of schedule right now, which is good to see, because there's going to be a lot of moving parts in those. Once we get our fluid lines in here, those are all going to be run. All the electrical and power and everything going to be going into the booths too. So a lot coming up on the paint booths and making progress.